Make a happy eye.
I hope it won't pick my eye. Look at him. Hi, Mango. Mango, don't be silly.
There is a normal woman and a woman with a bird on her face.
Judging face.
Oh man, he doesn't want to go anywhere. Look. Get off me now, Mango.
Look
Get
in
off.
motion.
Get off me, Mango. Get off.
Good, right?
He just took a mean shot of me, and I look like really mean.
Get off me, Mango. Get off. Get off.
Good.
Mango, come here.
No.
Bye. Bye, Jim. Making it. You want to make out with Mango, Pickle?
They still
Huh?
teenager.
Teenagers.
Like teenagers do not make up.
No, it's just like kid.
Kids.
Yeah.
Yeah, this
Only
guy.
feathered can fly, not kids anymore.
No.
This guy looks more like a male type. No need for DNA for you, Pickle, right?
Yeah, you can guess, but he's like not 100%.
Maybe. Do you think there could be some LGBTQ in there? LGBTQ in their community. All right, so we've got Pickle and Mango is behind Sergey.
What you doing? Mingo. Mingo. No.
I think she's hanging.
Yeah, they like fun.
She likes to hang.
Mingo, what you doing? Stop picking.
Hanging.
Stop picking. Stop picking. Trying to pick everything.
Wait.
Here is the best.
Really hard, right?
All right, get the lice, Mango.
Lice.
Ow!
There's no lice.
Naughty girl. What are you showing shares?
He doesn't
Она
want.
растопырилась, короче, чтобы держаться.
He doesn't want. He's trying to get away. Jump to my hand. All right.
She really like the phone.
Yeah, to eat fun. Whatever.
Try to eat the
My
phone.
screen.
Okay.
Superstar.
Yes, but because Pickle is a little scared.
Less performative.
Formative.
It's still not like this.
Oh, are you trying to jump? Oh. Showing off.
She's gonna jump on your phone and pick your screen protector.
Mingo, give me.
Trying to show off.
Give me. Good job. Hey.
He's a show off. Look at him. Her.
Okay, now glasses.
Big mouth. Mingo. What do you
Can
think?
she hang?
Hmm?
I guess she could, yeah. And now the beard.
Mingo. What you doing?
This is more performative, right?
Wanna fight? Mingo.
And I think Jin is becoming friendly with Sergey now.
Not really. Jin, come here.
Look at Jin.
Fluffy. She jumped on the bike and found like some like dirt there. And we
Which
just-
one? Mango?
Yeah, Mingo, and just like she's so dirty, like black
Yeah,
feathers,
yeah.
and we cannot wash it. Hey, Pickle.